Now, capturing good angle shots, if you're using any camera, whether it's a DSLR or even your iPhone or Pixel, it can be tough with your regular tripods. Hey, it's Mayank. I'm bringing you a detailed unboxing of the best technology available. Just like this one, on this channel I focus on detailed unboxings, in-depth reviews of the best technologies, and tutorials. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. With the GorillaPod, you can capture angles that are unbelievable. So what I have today is the GorillaPod SLR Zoom. I'm gonna unbox this. This one is actually available on Amazon. This was on sale when I purchased it. I'll leave a link for this right below the like button. Hopefully it's still on sale when you guys go to purchase it. If you are thinking about purchasing it, use the link below the like button. There's some tape at the top. Just gonna take it off. Pop this off, and then you have these two. So right when you open it, you're going to get your instructions manual. It's going to go into detail how to use this and how to insert the actual ball head with your DSLR cameras. Okay. And that's all you get. Take this off. There's GP3BH. Okay. So now with this tripod, you can use any DSLRs or any other cameras, and it can handle a maximum weight of 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. It comes with the connecting points, and it comes with a removable ball head as well. And here are just some examples of what this tripod is capable of doing. You're able to wrap it around any pole or any wood. It has proprietary plastic sockets. So it has proprietary ABS plastic sockets, and the legs are flexible, so you can go your traditional way or you can mold it to however you want to. And at the bottom we have rubber rings for a better grip. Finally, we have a removable ball head. Super easy to remove. Just press this, okay, and it'll come off like that. You insert this into your DSLR camera. Here I have my Nikon D5600. If you haven't seen the unboxing of it, I'll leave the link for the unboxing right over here. You can take a look at it afterwards. We're going to twist it after we put it in. You can use a screwdriver if you prefer. Okay, and then you just tighten it. And then what we're going to do is you're going to have to press the clip. You're going to have to insert it. So just press and hold this, and you're going to hear a clip. And wherever you're satisfied with your camera positioning, you can just tighten it up afterwards. And here's an example of different angles that this tripod is capable of achieving. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this tripod. And let me know what kind of tripods you're using at the present moment.